Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you a book back answer in science for 5th standard. That is, in this class, I'm going to give you from the term 1, children. That is lesson 4, science in everyday life. So for your half yearly exam, this lesson is added for you. Okay, from the term 1, lessons 4, science in everyday life. I think all have the book with you, and those who have the book, take page number 137. And the objectives, I'll give you the only the answers. I'll write on the board. So you have to take down in your term book, then you can write in your classwork with the question. Okay, children? So first take page number 137. So write neatly without making any mistake, children. So it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so because it's coming for your exam, so write neatly and properly. So page number 137 you can take lesson 4. That is first one. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Okay, children. First one, blue appearance of the sky is due to dash of light. So the answer is D, scattering. D, scattering. And the second one, who is known as a missile man of India? Answer is B, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, children. And the next third one, an example for reversible change is, the answer is A, melting of ice. Melting of ice. Okay, children. And fourth one, chemical reactions are example for, answer is B, irreversible change. Irreversible change. Then next fifth one. Which of the following is not an organic waste? The answer is D, battery. Okay, children. So mark it in your book, and when you're writing in the classwork, write along with the question. Then Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. So the first is, the book Wings of Fire was written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So take down properly, children. Don't make any mistakes. Without any mistakes, write the spellings. The next, a stretched rubber band comes back to normal shape. It is an example for reversible changes. Answer is reversible changes. Then third one, most of the physical changes are dash changes. What changes, children? Yes, reversible changes. Reversible changes. And next, fourth, newspaper is a recyclable waste. Recyclable waste. Okay. Next, waste from house and apartments are called dash waste. So what, children? Household. Okay, household waste. So next we will go to Roman number 3, match the following. That is, I'm going to write it in a straight answers, children, in the board. So when you are marking it in the book, put the numbers. So while you're writing in the classwork, write the straight answers. Okay, children, the number is 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. So this is the number. While you write in the classwork, you have to write the straight answers. Okay, that will be written on the board for you. That is butterfly. But to flower, answer is irreversible change. Irreversible change. That is, what is irreversible change? That does not come back to its original state. That is called as a irreversible change. Okay. Then reversible change. Reversible change. Melting of ice. Melting of ice. Okay, children. Next, India 2020, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. India 2020, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Children, next is a paper. What will be the paper answer, children? Yes, recyclable waste. Then next is the vegetables, that is organic waste. Okay, vegetables, organic waste. Then next we'll go to the circle the odd one. Circle the odd one. So just I'll write the answer which is odd one, children. So first one is A, melting, B, freezing, C, boiling, and D, cooking. So the first one is D, cooking. Okay, this is a odd one. Next, A, boiling, B, burning, C, cooking, and D, rusting of iron. So A is the answer, boiling. Then third one, A, vegetables, B, flowers, C, fruits, and D, chemicals. So third one is D, chemicals. Then the fourth one, A, paper, B, glass, C, metals, and D, paints. So answer is A, paper. So this is a odd one answers, children. So next we'll go to the answer briefly. So we have finished this, student. Match the following, and Roman number 4, circle the odd one. We have finished. Now next we are going to go Roman number 5, answer briefly. 6 questions are there and answer in detail 3 questions. So in that we will see whether we can see write the 2 or any 3. Okay. So next is Roman number 5, answer briefly. First one. Sky appears blue in color white. Okay. So the answer is, among the 7 colors of sunlight, among the 7 colors of sunlight. Children, among the 7 colors of sunlight, blue is scattered. Blue is scattered more. Okay, blue is scattered more than the other colors. Than the other colors. Than the other colors. Because of this reason, sky appears blue. Okay, because of this reason. Because of this reason, sky appears blue. Okay, children, do you understand this? Why the sky appears blue? So how many colors are there in the rainbow? 7 colors. Out of that, blue is scattered more than the other colors. So the sky is blue. Okay. So the next question is, what is reversible change? What is reversible change? So if you have the book with you in your hand, you can take page number 132, children. That is changes which can be reversed. Changes which can be reversed are called reversible changes. called reversible changes. Okay, children. So the next question is, differentiate reversible and irreversible changes. Differentiate reversible and irreversible. Reversible and irreversible changes. You have to differentiate. Reversible changes. You have to write the tabular column and write, children. Page number 134 you can take if you have. Page number 134, see children, reversible change. Reversible change and irreversible change. Reversible change. Point. Substance can turn to its original state. To its original state, that is, you divide the page into half, children, and after that you draw a line and write it. Okay, then a substance cannot change to its original state. Not change to its original state. Okay, children, this is the first point. And the next point is the chemical properties. So first point, you finish it like this. Next point, you can leave one line also, you can write the chemical properties of the substance do not change. Of the substance do not change. Okay, children. Then here the chemical properties of the substance will change. So this is the differences. Okay, the chemical. So the easy answer only. The chemical properties of the substances will change. These 2 points is enough, children. Okay. Then next we'll go to the next question. That is, what are the different types of waste? What are the different types of waste? So the answer. So what will be the different types of waste, children? Waste are of 2 types. Waste are, so this is waste are of 2 types. They are, so we are going to write what are the 2 waste, children. Waste from school, and another one is, what is that? Household waste. household waste. Okay, children. So this is the fourth answer. Have you all taken down in your notebook, children? So I'm going to rub the board now. So next is the fifth question. So the fifth question is, write a note on e-waste. Write a note on e-waste. Okay, children. So the answer is e-waste are electronic. So E stands for electronic. Okay, so electronic waste of. Okay, E stands for electronic. Okay, children, waste of computer parts, electronic materials, then cell phone parts, e-parts. Okay, then e-waste comprises comprises 70% of overall toxic waste. Okay, so write a note on e-waste. E-waste are electronic waste of computer parts, electronic materials, cell phone parts, and e-waste comprises of overall toxic waste. Every year 40 million tons of electronic waste is generated worldwide. Okay, is generated worldwide. Okay, so this is the fifth question, and the sixth question is, name the scientist from Tamil Nadu. Name the scientist from Tamil Nadu. So the answer is page number 131, children. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Then Srinivasa Ramanujan. Then Venkataraman Radhakrishnan. Then Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Then Sir C.V. Raman. Okay, now we are going to go to the detailed answers now. So with this, we are finishing the short answers. Next, we are going to the detail. So have you all finished this, children? So take down in your notebook neatly. Keep the book carefully, okay, children? So we'll write now. So next we are going to go to the answer in detail now, children. Answer in detail is Roman number 6. Answer in detail. So first question. Write about different household waste. Write about different household waste. Okay, children. So the answer for this, write about household waste. Take page number 134, children. That is organic waste. Organic waste. That is kitchen waste. Vegetables. Then flowers, leaves, fruits. Flowers, leaves, fruits. Okay, children. And next is the toxic waste. Toxic waste, in that old medicines, paints, old medicines, paints, then bulbs, then containers, batteries, okay, then pesticides. This is enough. Okay. So next is recyclable waste. Recyclable waste, that is paper, glass, metals, plastic. Paper, glass, metals, plastic. Okay. The next is the solid waste. Solid waste, that is clothes soiled with blood and other body fluids. Clothes soiled with blood and other body fluids and other body fluids. Okay, children, this, and the last one is here, e-waste. So what is e-waste? It is computer parts, and cell phone parts. This is enough. Okay, cell phone parts, and CFL bulbs. So first detail is over. Now we are going to go to the second detail. Just explain the need for waste disposal. Okay, so we'll go to the third detail, children. 1 and 3 you can write, okay? That is how can you reduce waste in your school environment. So the answer only 4 points is there, children. Take down. It is use reusable and recyclable bags and containers. Okay, this is the first point. And the second point is do not throw away your waste. Okay, do not throw away your waste everywhere. Do not throw your waste everywhere. You should not put the waste everywhere. Put them in dustbins. Put them in dustbins. Okay. Then the third point, don't waste food. Don't waste food. Waste food in schools. Waste food in schools can be collected and used to feed cattle. And used to feed cattle. And the last point, children, organic waste. Organic waste can be converted into manures. So with this we finish this lesson, children. So okay, this question is over. So with this we finish this lesson, children. In the next class we will give you the term 2, that is lesson 1 food, question answer, book back answers, children. Thank you.